That's what size is that?
Run, Sean! Run! Run!
No.
Are you done? Want to go inside?
You want Uncle Danny?
Want to get your face painted? Get paint?
Want Uncle
For
Danny to paint?
For what? For what?
Faces.
Because. Watch out!
Incoming!
Wait!
What boots are you talking about?
I got it for you.
Quentin, look. He said watch out.
I'm cleaning right now, Sean.
Run! Look! Run! Run! Run, Sean!
The first thingy, look at these. The first thingy, the first star song said, we're going to do some music to do for our whole musical.
What? What?
And then the second star
Mommy?
song said,
Keep going. You're not going to run any faster.
hey, look at the third star song says, we're going to have a musical.
Run, Sean!
That's where you jump, so you don't jump on nobody.
And then the second,
Oh, there went Quentin.
what did it say?
Papa, watch him. He wants to do that.
Say, look at
You're gonna have to let him do it.
and then the
No, he wants to do the
And then the third star song says that you.
Woo!